Hi, this is Panchali on behalf of Srimoy again coming with a new video. Today's video it's a short video of tops because many of you ask me about for gifting purpose we need as festive season is coming, Durga Puja is coming, Diwali is coming, Bhai Dooj is there also. We have to give to the go a number of members for teenagers. I think different varieties are there. Mainly I deal with Indian, that is ethnic tops mainly, but few western tops are also there. I will try to showcase a few pieces from them. It's not possible to show all of them in a single video, but I am trying. Okay, the booking procedure is same as usual, that you have to make a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8910156418. Starting with some beautiful tunic. Okay, these are tunic. Hip cover, of course, hip cover. Length is 43 plus. Okay, 43 plus is the length. Sizes, I will tell you all the sizes, and which are not written in the tops, I will measure in front of you so that you are clear. This one is XL, that is 42 is the size, and if you like you can alter, but I think this type of pieces loose fittings is better than tight fittings. Okay, this is the first one. Lemon yellow is the color. I am showing it closely. A beautiful embroidery is there with pom-pom lace, and it's not only for teenagers. I think for middle age like us, we can also wear with jeans or with any sort of pants, leggings, and so that. Okay, this is the first one. Lemon yellow is the color. This is in the range of 580. Two more colors are there. Sizes I will tell you. The next one is again 42, and another color is there, that is 42 also. This is the second one, Black Beauty. With pom-pom lace is there. What a vibrant embroidery. This is full embroidery, machine embroidery, of course. This is not hand embroidery. The fabric is very fine cotton fabric, and this pom-pom laces are there. Very much export quality fabric is this. Okay, hip cover, of course, hip cover 43 plus will be the length. Tunic, this is not kurta, this is tunic, and you can wear it easily with any sort of pant or jeans. 42 is the size for this one also. And the third color for this variety, it is sea green. So three color options are there. This one is 42 is available, as well as another size, that is plus size 48, which I am showing it is 48. 42 is also available in on this color. Beautiful sea green is the color, beautiful. And this one is 48. Actually maximum of the tops which I will show up to 44, 46, and the western ones are all within 42, 40, 42, not more than that. So I think 4XL, it's just grab it. Only single piece is there. 580, same range. Now moving towards western tops, and then again I will move towards ethnic tops. This one is a crop top. Okay, crop top for size, I'm just measuring it. Just a minute, hold on. This is pure cotton, imported cotton fabric is this. Yes, this one is 36, maximum 36, 34, 36. I think within the age limit of 12 to 13, if she is thin, for them this is perfect. 10, 12, 13, for them these are perfect. They can easily, this is crop top. Okay, this is not a long top. Crop top with this flare jeans or any plazo, you can easily match it. Lemon yellow is the color I'm showing you. See, beautiful fabric. The fabric quality is really beautiful. 550. Okay, two more. Another option is there, another color is there on the same piece I'm showing you. That one is peach. 550, same price. 550, same size, that is 36, 36, 34. For them this is perfect. Only single size is there. for them. These are western tops, these are made single sizes, and here in both the tops there is a back knot is also there. Look, the look will be very smart if you wear it with a flare jeans or a pant, flare pant. I think with a brown or maroon, I think maroon will be very good for it, white will be very good for it. You can easily pair it up. Now moving towards another beautiful crop top. Three colors are there, and this is again for 36, 34, 36, not more than that, and this is stretchable, so you can, for teenagers these are perfect. Stretchable with bell sleeve is there. The fabric is georgette. Okay, the fabric is georgette. It is in the range of 490, but all the fabric I can tell you that good quality fabric. If it is georgette, then the georgette will be very good quality. I won't show you or keep those pieces which are just the second one for this variety. This one is navy blue, this is not black. Okay, I'm showing you the design is slightly changing, bell sleeves is there. This one is navy blue. Okay, this type of piece will come 36, 38, easily you can wear it. Stretchable 36, not more than that, 36 will be good. And see the neckline, this ruffles style neckline is there. I don't know whether it is visible or not. Same range, that is 550. The last one, the last color for this one, this option, this one is white. So three color options are there. I am showing you closely. This is the white one. Beautiful pieces, just wear it with any jeans or for the teenager. I think it will be great. Then moving towards another, only single piece available, rest all are sold. Imported beautiful fabric and stretchable. It can be stretchable up to 40, not more than that, up to 40. The outer one is, it is attached. Okay, it is not separable. I'm showing you how the fabric is. Yeah, this one, the inner part, it can be stretchable. Okay, and on it, this net style, this piece is there. It's beautiful and very good quality fabric is this. Just for summer as well as winter, you can easily wear it. 580, very good quality fabric. Only single color is available, that is cream. This one is cream in color. Now moving towards some again some ethnic, and then I will pure cotton in this piece. uh, 3 to 4 color options are there, all the sizes are different. Maximum 40, 42 is there, some 44 also. I will tell you, this is hip cover. Okay, hip cover, the first color which I am showing, it is 40. See it closely, machine embroidery, 480. This is the first color. Very much sober, decent. You can easily wear it in office also. In this, I will show you more options are there, more color options as well as size option. In 40, I will tell you the colors as well as sizes. First, I am showing the pieces in 40, and then 44 is also there. Just a minute, I am showing it one by one. The second color, fuchsia pink, or you can call it rani pink, 40. It is available, the same color is available in, I think it's, just a minute, I am checking. Yes, 44 also. The same color is available in 44 also. So for fuchsia pink, 40 and 44 available. For the peach one, 40 and 44 available. And beautiful one green is there, and a single piece of, I think single, I have to check. This one is the fuchsia pink one. These are all 480. Okay, this is the second color. The third color, it is very good quality fabric. You can trust me. This is 42. 42, no 42, not 42, 40. 40 and 40, 44. Just a minute, again checking if I am not, no 40, sorry, 40 and 40. 40 and 44 both are available, but I think it's for 42, it's not for 40. This is 40 and 42. Again I am checking, otherwise it will be, I don't know, some sizes are exact as they wrote and some are, yes, it is 42, not 44. So 40 and 42 both sizes are available in this beautiful green. This green is really very decent, soothing green is this. Okay, this is the third color, and the last color, it is available single size, that is 40. Okay, single size available, that is 40. So total 4 colors are there, and in all the 4 colors 40 is there. In 3 pieces 42 is also there. 42 or 44. This is the last one. Coffee, light coffee brown is the color with this. The handwork is little bit changed. 480. The price is same. Okay, moving towards the next one. This is pure Ajrak. 3 color size options are there. I will tell you the sizes. First I am showing it pure Ajrak mix and match. This one is pure batik, wax batik. This one is pure Ajrak. See, hip cover, of course. This is the first one. Size 46 for the first one. 3 more options are there. I have to check the sizes. Just a minute, I am telling you all the sizes one by one. Just the option reverses. The same option which I showed you, that is 46, it is also available in 40. So for 40 as well as 46, 2 size options are there. For the first one, 650, pure wax batik, extremely soft. See, this is the material, and those already purchased from me, they know that I keep good quality products. See, this is the Ajrak one. Fish block is this, vegetable diet, and this is the, and the back is also in same. Okay, in batik. So 40 as well as 46 is available for this color combination. Actually both the color combination is same, just the reverse is there. 650. Now the reverse of the previous one. Here Ajrak is there in the rest of the kurti, sorry, top, and in middle there is batik one. Pure Mombatik is there in middle, and the rest back and front just the reverse of the previous one. Okay, 650, the same range. It is available in the size of 40 and 44. So 44 is also there, 40 is also there. Just listen carefully. So because it's not always possible to keep all the designer ones always in all the size, so please excuse me for that. Now pure indigo shirt. Okay, these are formal shirt type. You can wear it as a full shirt also in winter days, or you can just crop it. Pure indigo. These are just pure indigo. 3 combination or 3 blocks of indigo I will show you. The first one which I am showing, it is 40. See the indigo closely. Okay, hip cover. Hip cover, just I am telling you the length, and size is accurate 40. Okay, the length is, yes, length is 25. 25 is the length for this one. Okay, now I will show you rest 2. 3 sizes are there in indigo. 3 sizes, 3 blocks. Okay, the second one, it is for 46 or 48. This one, 46 or 48. You can easily take this one. Indigo plus size. For plus size hip cover shirt, it is 46, or for 48 single size available. These are in the range of 550. 550 is the range, and the last one, it is for size 42. For 40 you can also book this one. Same size, a little bit loose will be there, but the same size. Pure indigo 42. So the first one is in 40, the second one is in 46 or 48, and the third one, it is in 42. See, I am closely showing you the block. Okay, these are in indigo, pure indigo. Now moving towards, I showed you this one also. A single available piece is there in pure cotton, flared designer top. Only single size 40 is available now. Double flare is there in the sleeves. Pure cotton block. See it closely. Hip cover, 3/4 sleeves with flare, 40 size, 580. 580 single piece, beautiful color combination, sky blue with deep blue combination, beautiful one. Now moving towards again a western one. These are up to size 40, 42. You can easily, imported fabric is this, for jeans, wearing with jeans or plazo. It's absolutely, the sleeve is just not half sleeve, without sleeve, light small sleeve is there attached, actually baggy in style. Three color combinations are there, and this is in the range of, just a minute, up to 40. You can 40, 42, you can easily take this one. These are in the range of 550. Again, three combinations are there. Combination means three colors are there in this category. The second color is navy blue. Okay, three colors are there. I think for teenagers as well as if you are working, you can easily carry it out if you are within this size. Okay, just up to hip, not hip. It's not crop, it's imported fabric, very good quality fabric is this, 550. Okay, this is the second color, and the third color, it is rust maroon like color, 550. So three striped, very much smart, very smart piece is this. Okay, 550 is the price. Now moving towards some just uncommon piece. Only two pieces are there and two sizes will be there. The first one, it is up to 44, but you can accordingly, this is kaftan top kaftan, 14 kg rayon is the material. Up to 44 you can easily wear it. Hip cover, of course, this is hip cover, and according to your size you can stretch it. Although there is a stitch is there, if you are in plus size, just you can with from your tailor, just open the stitch and make a stitch where you want up to your size. Okay, it's best on 14 kg rayon, very good quality rayon is this. On hand block is there, this type of hand block. Okay, kaftan up to 44, 44 is stitched here, and you can, according to your size, you can up to 48. I think you can easily, you have to just go to the tailor and open the stitch and make another stitch here. Okay, this is in the range of, again it is 530. 530, this is the first color. Another color, single piece is available. It is 40, only single size available here. Same piece is this, that you can open the stitch and up to 48 you can easily. 14 kg rayon, just another color of the previous one. Size 40 is stitched here and size 44 is stitched in the blue one. Okay, that's the difference. You can easily change it. Now moving towards some pure Dabu hand block tops, and these are purely Dabu or Ajrak vegetable diet, extremely good quality, and you know, if I show you closely you have an idea. This is pure Jaipuri cotton Dabu hand block, wooden buttons are there, these are tops. Okay, for office use as well as just excellent pieces. Okay, this one is in the single size, that is 42, and this is in the range of 650. This is the first one, all same. Okay, this is the first color option. Another piece is there, not the same design, block will change. Another XL size Dabu again, beautiful color combination, pink with not pink, it's a what can I say, this is a pink with onion pink like combination. Okay, Dabu block, pure Dabu block, 650 is the price. Now moving towards another beautiful western one. This one single size, single piece is available. Actually this is size again stitched up to for up to 42, not 42, sorry, 40, up to 40. This is not crop exactly, not above your this is a style of imported fabric, is this pure cotton. This type of sleeves will come, and this is with this, the inner one not at all transparent. It's a beautiful one. You can easily carry it with jeans or any western pants easily. 590, 590, single piece, single color, rust. This one is rust. 590 is the price for this one. Another ajrak is available, single piece. This is again hip cover. 42 is the size. Multi pom pom lace is there in the lower part as well as in sleeves also, and sleeve is little bit of flared, like a light flare, not too much. Pom pom lace is there also. 42 hip cover. This one is 580. 580 is the price for this one. Another piece I want to show, just a minute. Another ajrak is there. This is a mix and match on ajrak. This is in the range of again 590, 42, again 42. Mix and match with ajrak, with one side pocket is also there. Pure cotton, pure ajrak cotton vegetable dyed. 590. Single size, single piece is available. And some western ones I want to show you. I don't know whether the time. These are western up to size 36, 38, 36, 38 for just small child girls. This will be perfect. Georgette with inner lining is also there. This is a this type of, see, this is the piece. Okay, two color variations are there. This is only and only 350, 350 for this one, and also no, it is 380, sorry, 380, and this is a lemon yellow one. If you have teenager or small girls, for them these are perfect. Lemon yellow is the color. 380 is the only price, and shipping you have to bear. I repeatedly told you that it's not possible for me to bear the shipping always, so please excuse me for that. Another thing I want to show you, just two pieces are there, 2 to 3. Yes, this one is dabu with ajrak mix and match, crop top style but not crop. It is not hip cover, just the length I am telling you. Two sizes are available on it, and this design also changes. I am telling you the length first. The length is 23 and half, 24 you can call. So I think you can easily carry it, those who are comfortable. This is the front. This one is pure, both are pure dabu and ajrak block is used. This is the sleeve, bell sleeve like designer one, and this is the back with the same dabu block. Okay, beautiful piece. This one is 42. Okay, another 44 is also there. They make only 42 and 44. 650, 650 for this one. Here one side is there in this way, another sleeve will be in this manner. Designer one, of course, designer one. And the reverse of this one, not exactly reverse, the color slightly changes. This one is 40. Okay, this is a rust like. The previous one is maroon like, this one is rust like. Very much sober, decent. For office wear, this is also perfect. The same block which is used here on one side, this is in the back, and this is the front. Same range, 650. This one is in 40, the previous one is in 44. And another single piece is available in 44 in indigo. 590, 590, 44. Single piece is available with collar. Very smart pieces are this. This is an indigo, pure front and back, and the collar is made with another vegetable dyed fabric. Okay, this is the piece. And the last I want to show 2-3 pieces of chicken curry. I don't know where are the rest of the pieces. I have to check. This is for size 38 or 38. The first one. 480. 38. See, hand chicken curry. Okay, this is not machine one. Hand chicken curry on pure cotton. This one is there. More two colors are there. If you WhatsApp me. Oh, another piece I want to show you. Just a minute. On that Dabu block, Dabu and vegetable dyed block, indigo. 44 indigo. Beautiful. Two blocks are used here. One is this block vegetable dyed, another is this one. The same fabric is here used in back. 44 is the size, hip cover, and it is in the range of 650. Again 650. Two more pieces are there. The next one again vegetable dyed, indigo, 680 with collar. Actually maximum of the pieces I have in ethnic pieces. I have a limited piece for western dress, but maximum ethnic I used. This is again a Jaipuri vegetable block. Okay, this one is 42. See the block closely. It's a beautiful block. Rast with navy blue combination, 650 again. That's all for today. If you are interested, please make a screen. Oh, just another color for the cotton chicken curry one. Yes, another piece I will show you, otherwise I will not get enough time. 38 again. 38. 38 480. Pure cotton chicken curry. Okay, 450. 480 is the price for this one. And the last thing I want to show you, otherwise I will not get before time, I think before puja. The first one, it is 46 in size. In this design many more pieces are there. This is Angrakha style. Here buttons are there, so no problem with this style. You can alter size yourself according to the dori. This type of slip, pure ajrak vegetable dyed. See, this is pure vegetable dyed ajrak, and the back is on maroon ajrak. This is 46 size. It is in the range of 650. Another piece I am just showing. It is in the size of 40, 42. This one is for 42. I am showing back and front dabu with indigo, and the back is in double. All are very much I think unique these are, and sober simple. If you like it, please make a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8910156418. Thank you.